Girl, you look good. Won't you back that thing up? But yes, I baked my face for the very first time. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's just say I'm looking real fantastic against this white backdrop. Like all this chocolate. But what's up, you guys? Today we're doing another my first time video. People really loved my applying lashes for the first time video, so I was let me keep the train rolling. Choo, choo, choo. No, but seriously, today, well, first and foremost, when I do my makeup, if you've watched a makeup video of mine previously, I do not bake. I do not bake at all. When I think of baking, I think of baking cookies and cakes and baked chicken and barbecue chicken, and that's what I think of when I hear baking. I don't think about my makeup, at all. So today I'm going to bake for the first time ever. So if my face ends up ashy and white, you already know what's up. Disclaimer, I'm not an MUA, okay? I just know a little something, and I share my little something, so y'all can get a little something. All right. So let's jump right into this video. All right, you guys, so I've already primed my face, done my foundation, and I snatched these eyebrows off camera. If you guys would like to see my full foundation makeup routine, yes, I have on foundation. I know it looks like skin. Oh, I know it looks like skin, but if you would like to see that video, go ahead and hit the like button or drop a comment down below. I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I do use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in CoCo. I believe this is CoCo, the darkest shade. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, and my, what's this? My chin. Oh, I hope I shaved my beard. I always forget to shave my beard before doing videos. Oh, when will I learn? Oh, I almost forgot. I forgot my makeup bib. I gotta put that on because I'm using powder. Y'all, these bibs come in handy. I'm just saying. Okay. I do let my concealer dry down a little bit. Don't ask me why. I watch YouTube. The big MUA say do it. I do it and my makeup turn out looking popping, okay? I do love this concealer. I got it from Walmart. It's like $5 and some change, so you get what you pay for. But I think it's bomb to be $5. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit a little bit. Alexa, play ape shit. Give me a phone. Thinking something. Call my girls and put them all on the spaceship. Hang with Beyonce one and I make you famous. Have you ever seen the crowd going, oh, that's like a Lambo. I be jumping off the stage. Crowd better save us. Crowd going, Alexa, that is enough. I want one so bad. Will somebody buy me one? Honey, if you watching this, can you buy me one? But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and blend out my concealer. I recently just purchased this. I've used it several times, but it is clean. This is the Echo's Tool Beauty Blender. And I love this better than Real Techniques, like real talk. Like, I love this whole little flat surface. It gets up in here really good. And I use this little thing right here to blend in my nose. Like, this thing magical. But let me blend out my concealer. Yeah! Ooh! Fast to go. Alexa, play Chris Brown Poppin'. Tell me what your name is. Can I walk with you, girl? Tell me where you headed. Oh, I said that wrong. This is the first time I had a girl who looks at me on fire. I get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like a child. And we gonna do something that's gonna get done. Alexa, cut off. That's enough. So I went ahead and blended out the rest of my face off camera. I did add my contour in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some Laura Mercier in the translucent. I normally use Maybelline, but since I'm baking for the first time, I want to use like my good products. So I will be using the Cover FX as well. Okay, I'm like super nervous because I don't want my makeup to be like ashy. But here it goes. Here goes nothing. Okay, so I'm going to take my damp beauty blender. I'm just going to press it into the powder. Oh! I don't like it already. Okay, so we're just gonna. Patrick Star does this very well. I did watch a few of his videos to try to, you know, get it in, to try to like be good at it. But he just applies powder like everywhere, and I don't get it. Like, what's the point? But we about to find out today. I heard people do it so their makeup can stay matte all day. But girl, we baking. Yes, honey, we baking. So I'm gonna go ahead and define my contour with my darker setting powder from Cover FX. Okay, I just want y'all to know this is the most powder I've ever had on my face. Like, y'all be doing this every day, all day. Like, I feel like I look like a fool. Okay, it's been sitting for a little bit. I went ahead and grabbed two brushes. We're gonna see which one works best to wipe, dust away the excess. Dust away the excess powder. I have a full face brush from BH Cosmetics, and I have my buffing brush from Real Techniques. So we just gonna see which one worked best to get rid of this extra ashiness off my face. The powder that I will be using will be the Black Radiance pressed powder. Don't judge me by this bag. I love this powder, and once you get to the pan, it breaks and crumbles. So I just put it in the bag. I love Black Radiance pressed powders, but they break so quickly. I'm going to use the buffing brush first. I'm going to go ahead and dip in that, you know what I'm saying? Get some product on the brush. Alright. Let's hope this turned out right. I feel like I look a little ghostly. What y'all think? No? Alright. Drop it down in the comments. Like, do y'all bake or no? Like, let a sister know. Because I don't be baking. Because I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't want no flashback. Okay. So we went ahead. I think when my baking, I wiped away some of my contour, but that's okay. I'm going to bring it back. I can see a line. I don't like that. But what y'all think? How I look? Ooh. Meow. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay. So let me know what y'all think this is the final look. I went ahead and added some mascara, lip gloss, my highlight, bam. Nothing too fancy. Y'all know I like a natural beat. Yeah, I really don't see any difference. Like, I don't. But I don't think I would add that into my routine. Why? Because that's a lot of powder. And if you buy expensive powders, you're going to go through the powder faster. So that's a lot of powder to be using every time you do your makeup. Like, I'm cheap. But I really don't see nothing wrong with it. I think it looks good. Y'all let me know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to let me know if you bake, you don't bake. If you don't bake, hey, I don't either. This is my first time. And I think it looks good. Like, my biggest fear with baking is flashback. I do not want to look ghostly. But I can appreciate this. It looks really good. My skin looks natural. Looks flawless. That's the whole point. But talk to me. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, if you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay? I'm wearing red, so y'all can hit the big red button down below. I like my beat down low, down low, down low, down low. Y'all know I got a song for everything. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, hit that bell. Ring-a-ling-ling. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I know you can't stand it. Stay banded. Done landed. See it. Gonna get it, y'all. Oh, I forgot. Alexa, play Back That Thing Up.